All right, third grade. So now we're ready to start our new unit of English. Now we're going to be talking about capitalization and punctuation. So this is nothing new. We know certain we know certain capitalization rules, and we do know about punctuations. That was our first unit in the book, talking about what's supposed to go at the end of a sentence. So this first lesson is a review on that, okay? So this should be a very easy lesson. So let's go ahead and start. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with an end mark. Study these rules. These rules you guys should know or you should remember because we went over these in the beginning of the year. And a statement with a period. A statement, remember, is a sentence that just tells you something, tells you a fact or an opinion. Let's look at this example. I will do my science report on the computer. Ends with the period because she's just stating something. I will do my report on the computer. Next one. And a question with a question mark. So if you're asking somebody something, you end it with a question mark. Look at this example. What will you write about? They're asking what you're going to write about, so you put a question mark. Next one. And a command with a period. When you're telling someone what to do, telling someone to do something, you put a period. It's not the same as asking. It's you're telling them to do something. Look at the example. Print the report out now. So you're telling somebody to do something right now, ends with a period. Next one. End an exclamation with an exclamation point. The printer works so fast! Exclamation point. Because you're saying something with emotion or excitement, okay? So you have to use an exclamation point. Let's go ahead to try it out. Speak up. How would you write each sentence correctly? So let's find the mistakes here and what we need to add or change. Number 1, look at these computer games. So what kind of sentence is this? Is it asking us something? Is it telling us something? Is it demanding something? Is it, what am I missing? Exclaiming something? Is it showing excitement? Well, it could be something with excitement. Look at these computer games, like you're excited. But really, this is a command. They're telling somebody to look at the computer game. So it would end in a period. Is there something else we need to fix on this? Yes, the first word in the sentence is not capitalized, and every first word of a sentence must be capitalized. So we have to make this a capital L and put a period at the end. Number 2, this game is terrific. What kind of sentence is that? Out of these is a statement, question, command, or exclamation. Well, it's an exclamation because they're saying how terrific it is. They're excited. They're happy. So this will end in an exclamation point. Another mistake needs to be fixed. The T in this must be capitalized. First word in every sentence must be capitalized. Number 3, may I try another game on your computer? What kind of sentence is this? Of our 4 choices, it is a question. So what do we need to add at the end? It's a question mark. Very good. And then what do we need to do at the beginning? Make it a capital M. Number 4, the first level is easy. What kind of sentence is this? It is a statement. It's just telling somebody that the first level is easy. So what needs to be at the end? A period. What has to happen in the beginning of the sentence? First word must be capitalized. And lastly, number 5. Watch me get through the maze. What kind of sentence is this? Out of our 4 choices, it is a command. It's telling somebody to watch them go through the maze. So what do we end it with? Period. Okay, so do you see the difference between a command and a question? This one's asking somebody, may I try another game on your computer? And this one's telling you, watch me. It's not asking you, can you or may you, may I, may we, it's just telling you, watch me, okay? It's not saying can or may at the beginning or anywhere like that. And so what else needs to be fixed here? The beginning must be capitalized. So that's it, guys. This is a big review of what we did in the beginning of the year. Now let's go over your assignment. So please listen up because it might be a little confusing, okay? On OneNote, you're going to see this page right here. And next to it, you're going to see the word sentence or new sentence. I don't remember what I wrote. But basically what you're going to do is read each sentence and then rewrite the sentence next to it, fixing the mistakes. So you're going to add the capital letters and the punctuation marks that are meant to be here next to the sentence. So right next to each one, there's going to be another word saying sentence where you fix it, okay? So let's look at the example. What is the internet? What kind of sentence is that? It's a question. So we had a question mark. And what do we need to do at the beginning? Add a capital W to make it first word of the sentence capitalized. So the exact same way that it is here. This was the sentence that needed to be fixed. And next to it, they made it correct. So that's what you're going to do. Right next to it, you're going to fix it, okay? And there will be a spot there for you to fix it. Same thing down here. You're going to read this. And there are 3 missing capital letters and 4 missing or incorrect end marks that you need to fix, okay? So you are actually going to rewrite this, okay? This you will rewrite. There will be a box underneath it telling you to rewrite the paragraph. You're going to type it out and you're going to fix the 4 missing incorrect end marks and the 3 missing capital letters that are supposed to be capitalized, okay? Rewrite it at the bottom and make sure you have those 7 errors fixed, okay? 7, because here's 3, here's 4, together that makes 7, okay? And that's your assignment on your own, number 6 through 18. So be sure to go on OneNote and get that done, okay? If this is still confusing, please call me and I'll be sure to explain it to you again, okay?